1 car, 2 customers, the same day. This file catches it the second you type. In car rental, the one mistake you cannot afford is handing the same car to 2 customers on the same day. This file stops exactly that. Start by listing your fleet, 1 row per car. That is car number 7. The plate is the key, so every calendar and every report grows a row on its own. Over to the booking log. This is the only place in the file where you type. Pick the car and its daily rate fills in. Type the rent from and rent to dates, and the days and the total work themselves out. Now the situation every rental owner knows. A second customer calls, asking for that same car. The moment you finish typing, both rows turn red with an overlap warning, and the line under the title counts the clashes. A car by day grid for the whole month. Blue means booked, a red X means 2 customers overlap. One glance and you know which car is free on which day. No more flipping through a notebook. Open this tab every morning. Which cars go out, which come back today, with the customer's phone number. Below that, pickups in the next 3 days, and cars past their return date, most overdue first. The car comes back. You write down 4 numbers. Odometer and fuel at pickup, and at return. The file works out the distance driven, checks it against the allowance, charges the missing fuel, and tells you the exact refund. No more arguments at handover. Every number has a basis. At month end, the real question is, which car earns, and which one sits idle? The ranking sorts itself by revenue. Add a car and it slots straight into the right place. Below it, a car by 12 months matrix. The darker the cell, the more that month carried. And the single screen that pulls it together. Cars on rent, cars free, utilization, revenue, and the deposits you are holding. At the bottom, a comment the file writes itself from today's real numbers. Scan the code for more templates.